everybody.
Welcome back to the Keeping It Lit studio.
Yeah.
I'm Deborah.
And I am Jabari.
Today, we're here to tell you about something that can keep your marriage lit. It can also deepen your connection and actually show you a way to put some fun back into your marriage.
That's right. You know, we all have very busy and demanding schedules. And sometimes we can forget to effectively allow God to love our spouse through us.
Introducing the Keeping It Lit 24-hour Love Talk Challenge. This is a fun and engaging way to deepen the connection with your spouse, to strengthen your communication, and actually rediscover the fun of being together.
That's right. This 24-hour challenge is so much fun, guys. You are going to be prompted through some guides and also prompted to do some fun challenges with your spouse that will spark meaningful conversation, deepen the intimacy in your marriage, and guess what? It's also going to remind you why you fell in love with that person you married in the first place.
Right. It's not just about talk. It's about connecting on a deeper level. You'll learn new things about your spouse. You'll laugh together. You'll create new memories. And you really just have a good time. It's a way to reset that button, and then you can also keep your marriage lit.
Keeping it lit, keeping it lit. That's right. So look, this challenge is going to be a great time for all of us to take 24 hours and just invest some time in this marriage. And that's the only thing you'll be investing, because guess what? This 24-hour challenge is free. It's no cost to you at all.
That's right.
Listen, the only thing you're going to have to do is click that link down in the comments there and enter your email. That's all we need is your email. We don't want your name. We don't need a credit card. We don't need to know your favorite color. This is a thing about privacy, which allows you and your spouse to work together to deepen your marriage and make it that much more lit. And are we doing something after this challenge?
Yeah. After the challenge, we're going to have a special private live stream exclusively for the participants of the Keeping It Lit Love Challenge.
That's right. The evening after the live stream, and we will get the information to you when that will be. The evening after the live stream, we're going to go live.
Yes.
Have a live stream because we want to hear from you.
Right.
Because if without you, we don't have any type of challenge. But what we want to do is we want to hear from you and get feedback as to what's working well, what's not working well, but also we want to hear back from you so we can know how we can better produce more content so you can keep your marriage lit.
Right. So invest in your marriage with this powerful challenge at no cost to you.
At no cost to you. At no cost to you. Just enter your email in the link below. That's all we need. We don't want your name or anything else. It's going to be a great and fun time at no cost to you. This challenge is on us.
Right. Sign up today and take the first step to making your marriage happier and actually more connected.
That's right. So we want to officially say to you that now we have announced the Keeping It Lit 24-hour Love Talk Challenge. We hope to see you there. Take care.
Take care. See you soon.
Bye.